Invisalign is way more comfortable. It's way easier, it's more flexible, just works around overall better for them and their comfort level. So orthodontic treatment means a correction of teeth. That's what ortho and dontic means. So orthodontics just involves the movement of teeth and helping teeth get into the correct position so that they're both aesthetic as well as functional. Who needs orthodontic treatment? There's a wide range of people that want it for aesthetic reasons, and then there's a lot of people that can benefit it from functional reasons. During the new patient exam here in St. Albert, we go through all of those in detail. We do an iTero scan for you, and we show you how your bite comes together, so that way we can show you whether or not you would be a good candidate for orthodontic treatment and if that's something you should consider. Some of the functional reasons for considering orthodontic treatment include bad bite, inability to be able to clean your teeth properly due to the crowding, some TMJ issues if you're having issues with your jaw and how things are kind of coming together, flexing of the teeth that causes damage to both the gums and the bones and the teeth themselves. Some of the aesthetic reasons for doing orthodontic treatments would include chipping or breaking of the teeth, crowding and how they look to you, how they work just in general. If there's things that are in a different position than you normally like to, those are all kind of cosmetic reasons for considering orthodontic treatment here in St. Albert. So the difference between Invisalign versus braces, which are the traditional ones, basically the aesthetics that you can kind of notice right away. So braces are the brackets, the wires that you typically see on teenagers there. Invisalign are the clear aligners that are clear for a reason, so they're more aesthetic. Most people come in for orthodontic treatment to our office and want to consider Invisalign because it's aesthetic. It's clear, you can't see anything moving on there, you can't see any sort of attachments or other wires or brackets and other kind of thing in there. So the aesthetic is a huge issue for a lot of people in today's world, especially the professional world. And so people really like to have the aesthetic component of Invisalign over braces there. Hygiene is an absolute huge thing. As a general dentist, I care significantly about your oral health, and I want to make sure they not only have a nice smile, but also healthy. And so being able to clean properly throughout an orthodontic treatment is huge. The difficulty with cleaning around a lot of brackets and wires is that after a while, most people don't consider flossing around their teeth, and so often we see cavities forming around them, whereas something that you can remove like clear aligners and brush and floss like normal makes a world of difference for their oral health, the damage to the teeth, their health and comfort level overall. One of the main advantages of Invisalign over traditional braces is the level of comfort that you'll have. When I had traditional braces, I remember the pain and the feeling of having those wires changed, and it just hurt for so long. Invisalign is much more steady but consistent pressure, and you have a little bit of flexibility on your end to make your treatment more comfortable or to go faster if you want to. When you come into the office, we ask you those questions on how are things feeling. Do we need to speed things up? Do we need to slow things down to make things more comfortable for you? Overall, we find that patients here in St. Albert find that Invisalign is way more comfortable. It's way easier, it's more flexible, and just works around overall better for them and their comfort level. So the average cost of Invisalign at our office here in St. Albert starts at $18.99, but every case is different. So what we want you to do is come in for a free orthodontic consultation, and we will discuss your options with you at that point.